Look up just a little bit. Okay. I'm actually starting to do this one a little bit more.
Yeah.
Well, some people it looks long, some people it doesn't.
Yeah. Nice.
Actually, Brandon, it works really well on because he has no range of motion in his neck, so it's just like. Okay, lay on the side face, right? I feel like this is higher than normal on this table. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Nice.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I've just been bending over too much, so
I know.
I'm trying to keep it a little bit higher.
That's funny.
Yeah. Nice.
Right. Wow, I just like cracked your kneecap.
Really? You get the thing right here too.
Oh yeah.
So give me a really good twist. Keep going. There you go. Nice. Feels pretty good. Alright.
Yeah, look this way. I think that's pretty good. Hug me tighter.